Are you tired of overpaying for salon waxing? You're not alone. MTH Health will guide you on mastering a Brazilian wax at home. Achieve professional results without the mess. Sounds great, right? Performing your own wax can be scary. But with the right technique, it transforms your routine. It saves money while keeping your skin smooth and beautiful. The biggest challenge isn't the pain, it's the technique. Many beginners struggle due to poor skin preparation. Incorrect skin tension can lead to irritation or bruising. So, let's prioritize hygiene and safety first. Start with deep hygiene and cleansing. Use an alcohol-free cleanser to remove oil from your skin. Next, choose high-quality hard wax beans for optimal results. Hard wax sticks to hair, not skin. This reduces pain while protecting your skin barrier. Consistency is key for a successful wax. Your wax should resemble warm honey in texture. Always perform a patch test on your wrist first. This checks if the temperature is right for your sensitive skin. Now, apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Leave a thick tab at the end. It's essential for a firm grip on removal. Pull the skin tight in the opposite direction. Now for the magic. Pull the wax back in one quick, smooth motion. Stay close to your body and avoid upward pulls. Immediately apply pressure with your palm to calm your nerves. Finally, hydrate your skin post-wax. Use a post-wax oil or pure aloe vera gel. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and removes any leftover wax. De-waxing is private, cost-effective, and empowering. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button. Share your experiences with us in the comments below. Subscribe to MTH Health for more beauty secrets.